Danielle Hayashi here with Hashi Trades. Now I'm just doing a quick trade recap of my call options trade today, which was Tesla. Now I've been struggling to wake up early, so I didn't really see anything that looked juicy or spicy until 2 hours after market opened, so 8:30 a.m. Pacific time and 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. So what I noticed, as I'm showing you here, is that there was a ton of open interest on the weekly call options of Tesla, the $800 strike expiring, this week, the weekly. So I thought that's really interesting, and there was more volume in those than any other strike price. Now, that strategy is an out of the money, so an OTM to an out of the money strategy. Now, basically, what you're hoping is that it becomes almost at the money, but that requires Tesla to do a lot of upward momentum. So I was really just looking at the premium increasing in value because Tesla got closer to the strike, but I was not really expecting Tesla to get to 800, especially because I know Tesla, the theta burn is real, and I didn't want this to extend past a day trade. I didn't want to lose my premium value. So it was really just an OTM play, and it was kind of I wouldn't say impulsive entry, but it was something that I planned very, very quickly, and I didn't plan to stay on it beyond today. So definitely a day trade strategy. Now let's look at where I entered. So I entered 725 on this one, and it was trading around $725. Now where I exited was when it got up to this level here, but I was happy with my percentage return that I made, and so I said I'm gonna take my profits here. I had already made over 100% return, and one of my rules is definitely if you make over 100% of your money, doubling your money, you should take some profits off the table. But I had some other things to do, so I said I'm going to exit here. If I have some extra time, I will watch it for fun, but I'm done, so there's no need to stress about it, and that's it. I took my profits off the table and I exited. Now it ended up kind of holding the 760s level, which is great. It's interesting. So I'm very curious to see where Tesla goes for the rest of the week, maybe by some momentum that it used to have, like last year pre-coronavirus. It could go all the way up to 800 before the end of the week, which would make some of those calls in the money or at the money. That would be amazing. So yeah, let me know any questions or comments you have down below, and let me know your thoughts. Do you think that Tesla is going to go to 800 by the end of the week? Did it get its Momo back? Would love to hear it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.